Okay, so if the Earth's average temperature was to rise how much they expect it to, which is 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 8.6 degrees Fahrenheit, there would be all these other global effects like droughts and rain, or increased rainfall, and flooding, more natural disasters, and power outages. And so climate change is obviously a growing concern, and it involves the health of our planet, and also we need to do something to fix it. And I've done a lot of research on this topic because I care about the earth, and I care about all of the generations that are going to come after us. And so we're going to talk about the causes of climate change, and then we'll talk about the dangers that come from it, and also things we can do to help. So causes of climate change, they vary, and they're from many different factors. And so there are natural causes, and according to the Environmental Protection Agency, the change in the sun's energy changes our energy that we take in. So whenever the sun gives off more energy, we receive more, and it stays in our atmosphere. And the biggest cause is human activity, which is mainly done from burning fossil fuels, which gives off carbon dioxide and monoxide, and that stays trapped in our atmosphere. Also, deforestation is a big factor, and also industrial processes release a lot of greenhouse gases. And so the causes that we just talked about, they can turn into really serious problems if we don't do anything to fix it. Some of the dangers is that the average temperature of Earth has risen 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit in just the last century, which when talking about the average temperature changing that much, it's kind of crazy. And so the greenhouse gases that are released, they act as a blanket for the atmosphere, and so it traps the energy and then it warms it. And so the impacts that can come from this are there going to be changes in rainfall, flooding, droughts, intense rain, and more severe heat, which is not very good for us in Texas. It's already hot enough, but
Amen.
yes, good. And the oceans will become more acidic, the ice caps are already melting, and the sea levels are already rising. So all these, or some of these dangers can be prevented if we do something about it. And according to an article called Facing the Challenges of Climate Change, there are a lot of things you can do just inside your home to fix it. And such as just changing your regular light bulbs to compact fluorescent light bulbs, or when you're out shopping for more appliances, get energy efficient appliances. And there are also things that you can do outside of your home. And according to the public agenda, renewable energy and nuclear energy are becoming the fastest growing energy sources, and they increase 2.5% each year. And so that also includes like solar energy, like using solar panels helps. And if you, instead of taking your car, you walk or carpool with people to work or school, that helps. And if you're getting a new vehicle, choose a fuel efficient vehicle, and also supporting any legislation that pretty much promotes taking action towards climate change. So all of these actions can help the fight in reducing climate change. And so we've all talked about the causes, the dangers, and solutions of climate change. And so I urge you to take action simply by carpooling or changing your light bulbs or supporting legislation, and because it's easy to forget how fragile Earth is when you don't immediately see the effects of it, but it's a serious issue, and since we live on this planet, it's our job to take care of it. Thank you.